What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I hope y'all are doing well. Today's gonna be a little different. I do have an unboxing from Nitto. As some of you may know, some of you may not. I actually got sponsored by Nitto, I want to say 4 or 5 months ago. So like right now I run the NT55s on the front and the rear. Before I used to run the NT05s, but the car's not that fast, so we went down to the NT55s. But anyways, they sent me a package today, and we're gonna get into some of the stuff that they sent. So I got Johnny recording. You guys don't know, that's my little brother.
Damn.
It's in the little note card thing for being part of Pitcrew.
Alright, didn't finish reading it.
I read it to myself, but you guys can see what it says there. So much love to them. They actually sent me, this is actually a really cool spring collection. That's in the Nitto paper, of course. That's in the car.
Damn, so what do we get?
We don't litter. Got a gimbal stabilizer, so my reels aren't shaky anymore. What else? You got a notebook. You got a journal patch.
A journal boy?
A journal.
It's not a journal patch.
Oh no, it's a baggie. Little baggie.
Baggy?
You got the Nitto license plate.
That's hard.
It's actually metal, so it's like.
That's hard.
It's not plastic, it's metal.
Really?
So, yeah. That's
Oh,
pretty
yeah.
sick.
Okay, a license plate.
What's this? Oh, we got some more stickers.
Decals.
Oh, stickers.
Oh, the wheel lock. No.
They're the valve stem caps. They go on the the valve stems for the tires.
Oh.
Got some more stickers. Pitcrew. Of course.
Okay.
Can't have too many stickers. They add horsepower.
Yeah. If you ain't rice, you ain't nice.
Got
Okay, sure.
little shirt.
You got another one on right there.
Oh, yeah, I'm already repping.
Oh, whoa. He's falling.
Should I open it?
Open it.
Then I gotta fold it back. I got two.
So we got a shirt.
Yeah, this is the.
Oh, those are tires?
Yeah, my tires. NT55s.
Yeah.
Let's see the other one. This one. I didn't even show the front of that one.
Yeah, it's just a Nitto, didn't it?
This is Nitto. Fueled by enthusiasts.
What's that one? Nitto
Nitto
Pitcrew. Okay.
Got a rep.
Fueled by enthusiast
We got the
Pitcrew.
NT55, the grappler. I'm not sure what that tire is, to be honest, but
Off-road.
Nitto. Let's see. These on my car. There's a little safety bag.
Oh, we got a first aid kit?
Yeah, you know, we go to canyons just in case.
Yeah, we got a
Go
first
hiking.
aid kit. Yeah.
Let's see what's in here.
We take the Jag off-roading.
I took it off-roading, actually.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, wow. I think this is just wipes, burn gel, super skin.
So your average, your average first aid kit.
Yeah, I guess it's like a little first aid kit, tropical mod. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is either.
Bandages probably.
It's a safety kit, so
Exactly, so bandages.
wipes and stuff like that, disinfectant, some bandages.
That stuff's hard though. Nitto?
Good to have. There's a middle patch, of course. We're carrying this in the Jag. Oh, it has it right here, my med kit, or my medic.
First is everything. Hydration.
Yeah. It's a little windy.
Yeah.
What next?
Then we got a tent.
I got a tent. No, I don't think it's a tent. Carhartt.
Oh, so
Little duffel bag.
we got a duffel bag?
I got a.
No, we got a duffel bag.
There's a little duffel bag. It was pretty long unboxing, to be honest.
Yeah. And looks from the looks of it, we got a new book bag.
And the final, I think it's the final piece. Oh, not the final piece. And a little backpack. I actually needed a backpack, so it's
For
really
the gym
cool.
or what? Or hiking?
Both. So it's really cool they do stuff like this, because it's not like just tires and stuff like that. They really like to look out for people that support their tires and support their brand with stuff that helps them out in like other parts of their life.
Yeah.
So you know, when we go to Yosemite, we stay warm.
Let me see. It's Carhartt. Alright, try it on. Try it on.
Cali's been weird. It's been cold, and then it's been super hot. And then today, it's what the heck? Oh, yeah.
Wait, what the? Whoa, what's this?
What's what? I don't know. That's dope.
Yeah. Matches the fit.
Yeah, guys, that's it for the unboxing. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for today's video. It was just a little unboxing of the stuff that Nitto sent me. Again, I'm very appreciative of that, and also I'm very appreciative of all you guys that watch the videos, like it, share my stuff. Because without you guys, I'd just be a kid with a Jag.
Unreliable Jag.
A what?
An unreliable Jag.
Yeah, unreliable Jag. But that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. If you're either watching this in the morning, afternoon, or whatever. But I'll see you guys on the next one.